Hello, welcome to another episode of More Photography. This episode is going to be a little bit different than most other of my episodes. Tonight I'm trying out some street photography for the first time and I'm recording it all on my 360 action camera. I have chosen to do a voiceover in this episode because the audio recording on my 360 camera I think is quite horrible. So yeah, let's start. First off in this episode, it had a quite rough beginning. I forgot to bring along my SD cards for the first time in a long time, but luckily my brother has a dual card slot camera, so he lent me one of his spare cards, so he pretty much saved the night there when it comes to photography. Secondly, this episode doesn't really have a proper ending because the battery on my 360 camera died or went flat way sooner than expected. And I'm guessing it's because of the cold. It was pretty cold this night. But yeah, the goal of this episode is to walk around, find stuff to photograph, and then just bringing you along on the adventure. So I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.